Hey, it's Nico from Learn the Wild, and you've probably seen videos online of people talking about using fishing magnets to prospect for gold. Either dropping them off the bridge and picking up sands, which collects some of the tiny pieces of gold. But I wanted to show you something that not a lot of people know. So, gold, in its natural form, is mixed with all other sorts of elements. It's alloyed with silver, copper, platinum, iron, anything you can think of. So in this pan here, we have various nuggets. We have one with gold in hematite, 24 karat gold. We have a few other pieces. I'll share what those are in a minute. A bunch of nuggets which appear to be pure gold, and some pieces with quartz. Here I have a fishing magnet. That's gold. Oh, and meteorites. So while the chances of you finding a nugget with a magnet are probably pretty low, you can find other special, geez, these things stick hard, other really cool things like meteorites. But long story short, yes, you can pick up some gold nuggets with a strong rare earth magnet. There are a few dozen in here that will get picked up. And the reason they get picked up, and I'll show a close-up with a microscope in a little bit, or right after this I should say, is because they have a bunch of magnetite and iron inside of them. You can see the black in the crevices. That's what the magnet's picking up. So yes, you can. Will you? Maybe. They don't attract very strong. Gold is extremely heavy. So I don't expect that you're going to be pulling these nuggets out through the gravel or sand. Not with any fishing magnet on the market right now. This one's about a 450 pounder. But yes, check your pick when you're metal detecting, because there could be a piece on there. I have had pieces stuck on there before. That little tiny meteorite that I just showed you, the little ball that looks like a pellet, that one actually stuck to my pick. So that shows it. And that is real, natural gold and meteorites. So I hope that clears up a little bit. And you almost saw me fall on my butt. And it won't be the first time. Now you know. So I rigged this up to film gold. So speed it up. Reverse. Whoa! I don't know why reverse is so fast. just a little bit. And you almost saw me fall on my butt.